Usisibongo is going to teach you how to greet. And I'm going to teach you how to greet ngesiXhosa using English and sign language. Are you ready? Inye, zimbini, zintatu, let's greet. First, when you greet, xa ubulisa, greet is bulisa. Greet, bulisa. When you greet, xa ubulisa, you say hello. Hello. Molo. Molo. And molo is hello. And then after that, you ask, how are you? How are you? And how are you ngesiXhosa is unjani? 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 After you ask unjani, you answer ndiphilile enkosi, which is I am good, thank you. Ndiphilile enkosi. Ndiphilile enkosi. Ndiphilile enkosi. Yay! You did it! So, next time you see an adult, please, ndiyacela uzubulise. Bye, Chomi. Usisibongo unithanda kakhulu. Bye bye. Salani kakuhle. Usisibongo unithanda